Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to go over the oil prices. We're going to have a little look at WTI crude oil in fact, and we're going to have a little look at where price is positioned at the moment, because we're back at a yearly high, which is where we've been looking for price to come to for the past couple of months. Now, we did a video not too long ago, like I said, probably about a month, maybe even a bit longer than a month ago, talking about price coming back into this area in here, this yearly high. The reason why I was talking about price coming back into this yearly high was because of the monthly trends. Now, when we saw this monthly bearish candlestick come in here, we expected the price to reverse. And the reason why I expect it to reverse is because technically here we are in an upward trend, okay, but we are in a reversal phase of that upward trend. So if price was moving and making higher highs, higher lows like it is here, on the retracement phase on a lower time frame, we'd be seeing a downward trend develop. So just to show you that, go to a daily chart and we'll have a look at the past couple of months, because after the past couple of months really it started to motor to the downside. So you can see here the month prior where we had that bearish month, price made those lower lows, lower highs, and we continued that through to the next month and through to this month. So nice downward trend here. So now we're coming back to that yearly high. Are we going to, or can we expect basically oil prices to start rising again? Are we going to start seeing price push back to the upside because of this monthly trend? You know, is the market going to find support back at this yearly high, and are we going to trade back to the upside? So if we were to trade back to the upside, where could price come back to? Well, typically in a trending market, price will retest previous structure highs. So I would imagine price could come back to 117.20 or even a bit higher, which could be 124.60s. So looking at this now, what do we need to see? Well, very much like the reversal situation, where price started to make lower lows, lower highs, we actually need price to start making higher highs and higher lows. So it's a little bit more of a long-term play, this one, because what we need to see is price change trend. You can see some buyers starting to come back in here at the moment, but what I need to see is some type of reversal pattern which suggests that we can start looking for those long ideas. Now, we could look for an inverse head and shoulders pattern. That could be something that we look for, where price forms a higher low in line with the left shoulder of the pattern. Alternatively, I just want to see price make a new high. So that could be a double bottom, then price pushes to the upside, or even just a break over this high in here. Just need to see something that's going to tell us that we are going to start seeing that turnaround now. But I wanted to draw your attention to it because we have come back to that target area on that downward move in and around this area. We could still drop a little bit further below it. Obviously, if we look at it from a range point of view, at the top of these highs in here, we could still come a little bit lower, perhaps into the 83s or even down to sort of 77, 85s. But the important thing is I'm going to be watching that daily time frame. I'm going to see if this daily time frame is going to show us that price is changing trend by basically breaking out of this downward trend that we've seen through here recently. So let's see what happens with oil. I'm expecting some upside around these areas. All we need to do is wait for some kind of change of trend. So it's a little bit more of a longer term play. If it does change trend, price could head up towards the 117s, even up to the 123s. Hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.